Our first step is to take these static pages and we need to make them dynamic. Right now, their extension is .html, and that means it's a static hypertext markup language page. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just rename these, and I'm going to switch from HTML to PHP, and I'm going to make these all PHP pages. So it's an easy step. Now if I come over and I refresh this, it still works, but if you look at the URL, this index.html no longer exists. And what's happening under the hood is our web server, Nginx, is going to default to this index.php page. And so even if I take something like this and I rename it to something like that, it's still going to the index.php page. So it doesn't matter really what's here. If it can't find it, it's going to default to showing what's in the index.php. The other pages are accessible at about.php. So that's the about page. And we have upload.php. Now what is going to break here is our links at the very top. So if you look at the bottom down in this area, when I hover over there, that link it says about.html. If I click this, it's going to show the index.php because about.html no longer exists. So along with the changes that we just made, we're going to have to update some code. If we look in our nav header, you can see it says upload.html. So I want this to be upload.php and I want this to be about PHP. So that's the main menu. If I scroll down here, I'll end up with a mobile menu, and I'm going to change those also. So that's a change I did on the index.php page. If I refresh this now, this nav should say upload and it will go to the upload. But of course, this nav exists on all three pages. We'll take care of that problem in a little bit. But for now, let's go ahead and make the changes to all three pages. And then we come in here, find the nav for the about page. After those changes, if I refresh this again, all of our links should now work. The thing that we've accomplished in this video is we've incrementally moved from a static website. Now we have a dynamic website. We don't have any dynamic content yet because we haven't written that code, but now we're configured and we're set up so that PHP, which is an interpreted language, when we run those pages, if I had some PHP tags in there, which we will very soon, those will get interpreted and that content will now be dynamic. So that's it for this video. Super simple. That's our first step.